Well, back here with Chef Nino, and we've been chatting about the dish we got cooking today, the shrimp Tasso Fredo pasta, right, Chef Nino?
Yes, sir. We're taking the best of Louisiana and the best of Italy, put them in one pot and call it shrimp Tasso Fredo. It's an easy recipe and definitely different.
Well, tell us about what makes it so special and unique doing it that way.
Because I lived in Italy a long time, okay? So I know how to make an Alfredo, which are Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. This is really an amazing cheese. The Rouses ships it over from Italy in a 75-pound wheel, about this thick and about this big around.
Wow.
And it takes 2 years of aging that, and it takes 600 quarts of milk to make one wheel. So this is special cheese. So we're making Alfredo with this heavy cream, butter, and the Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. But we're going to put some Louisiana in it, Louisiana wild-caught shrimp. We got some Tasso. And for our viewers maybe have never seen Tasso, it's really a lean cut of meat, usually pork or turkey. And it's a brine and highly seasoned and smoked, really flavorful. And then we have some andouille. Andouille is like smoked sausage, it's a lot leaner and more flavorful. So we have our cut Tasso, our cut andouille, and now we're gonna cook that in this pot right here. But let me just share this with you.
Okay.
We cooked our onions, bell peppers, and garlic down right here. Then we took them out of the pot. Now we're gonna put in our andouille and our Tasso here.
Well, let's do it.
And wait till you hear the flavors and hear the flavors.
Is it gonna sizzle?
It's gonna sizzle.
And it does.
And you're gonna smell those seasonings all come together. Now think about all those seasonings and the juices from the Tasso and the andouille, and it's gonna be flavored into the Alfredo sauce. Instead of just a boring old Alfredo sauce, we're gonna make a Alfredo. That's right.
Now, one thing that those of you watching this need to understand, yes, this is a very great dish that we're about to put together here, but you can put it together at home with everything you're seeing on your screen available at Rouses. So you take a trip to Rouses, get these items, and you can do the exact same thing Chef Nino's putting together at home, right?
That's right. They can download the recipe on y'all website, Fox 10, also on Rouses.com. Check it out.
Oh, that's
And
good.
remember, while I'm thinking, it's not too late to get your holiday orders done at the deli. You get your holiday order form. We can do the complete holiday dinner or just a part of it, whatever you want.
So when you're hosting those big Christmas feasts, it can take a big weight off your shoulders. Let Chef Nino and the cooks over there at Rouses take care of things.
That's right. Whether it be sandwiches or whole hams or all the fixings. And really, we got some really creative, innovative things going on there. Check it out.
Now,
stop by.
I know we're approaching the holidays, so you may not have any coming up in the short term, but do you have any of those cooking classes that you usually get a chance to do at some point?
Yes, today at 11 o'clock.
Really, today?
Yeah, we're going to be over at on 73 on Airport Road, the Rouse Airport Road.
Oh, wonderful.
And then later on this afternoon in Saraland. Tomorrow in Orange Beach location. That's right, 11 o'clock.
So
we can be doing
here in Mobile today,
yes,
Airport Boulevard, and then tomorrow in Saraland.
Orange Beach.
Orange Beach,
yeah,
tomorrow.
Later on this afternoon in Saraland.
So you got two today, one Mobile, one Saraland, then Orange Beach tomorrow.
Yes, yes. Y'all come out and see it. It's going to be great. Yeah.
The Nino Tour.
That's right.
It continues on.
11 o'clock tomorrow, Orange Beach. Don't miss it. We're going to be doing this recipe right here.
What is going to be our next phase when we come in later in the hour, Chef Nino?
Okay,
phase 2?
What we're going to do is, after a cup of coffee, what we're going to do is, by then the Tasso and the andouille are going to be sauteed down, and we're going to put in the shrimp, and that's going to saute really quickly. And then we're going to put in our heavy cream, Parmigiano Reggiano, and put our onions back in there, and it's going to be done. And all those flavors are going to be swimming together. Italy and Louisiana coming together. They're going to be married today right on the set.
The good thing about any dish Chef Nino puts together, it is like a flavor explosion in your mouth when you get to taste it. And we will put the information on fox10tv.com right under the Studio 10 tab. And Chef Nino, we will see you a little later in the hour.
All right. Don't miss it. All right.
What are you talking about, Chef Nino?
I said he's so calm. I said, give me some of that medicine, man.
Are you ready for Christmas?
Yes, sir, I am. I'm going to Guadalajara on Monday for a week. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
So what are you gonna do there?
Chill.
Chill out.
Yes, sir. Chill.
That's good. Hey, that sounds good. You gonna take some pictures?
Well, I'm gonna take a bunch of pictures. Yeah, Mexico's amazing.
Bring
place.
us back. Show us some.
Yeah, I will. And I will get some new recipe ideas. I go to the local markets and I see what spices they're using, different methods of cooking, and I add that to my repertoire to bring to our folks.
Now,
Yeah.
are you flying there? And by that, I mean, are you piloting?
No,
yourself
sir, I'm
there?
not. It's just too expensive to fly your own plane over there.
Gotcha.
Commercials like a fourth of the price. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Interesting. Chef Nino's
Yeah.
a pilot, by the way, so that's what we're talking about there.
Yeah, they unloaded trucks and I pilot. I didn't go about this talk. No.
Hey, you're piling up the flavors today on the show. Tell us a little bit about what you're working on here.
Folks, look at this right here. We sauteed our andouille and our tasso down with onions, bell peppers, and garlic, and a little bit of butter. And this is where we are. And then when that was sauteed down real good and those juices and spices started to elude out of that, I put in the shrimp, Rouses wild caught Louisiana shrimp right there, peel, clean, deveined, wild caught. These shrimp did not need a passport to come into our store. We know where they came from, where they were fished, local, sustainable product right there. Yeah.
Hey,
So-
that's important to Rouses, is that you've got some international products, but when it comes to local goodness, you guys make a point of sourcing it.
That was our founder, Mr. Anthony Rouse's motto: buy local, shop local. That's right.
I like it.
That's right. So look, I just want you to see what I want this to look like before you put in the heavy cream. You have Louisiana. Now we're going to introduce.
Hold on, hold that up. Let's make it a shot of that, so we can see it. Right
there. Is that good?
Look. There it is.
Here,
Good
boy. I tell you what. Now that's Louisiana. Now let's put some Italian things in it.
Let's do it.
We're going to put some heavy cream. Brother, help me. Oh, this is kind of heavy.
It's too heavy for you?
Yeah, it's heavy. I know. I'm sorry, brother. I'm sorry. Hey. I want to give a shout out to all of our local team members at Rouses in Alabama. I know some of them are able to watch, and it takes a lot of folks to make these things possible. And thank everybody for what they're doing. So what we're going to do is, this is going to come to a boil. When it comes to a boil, I'm going to take it off of the fire. I don't want it to scorch. At that point, I'm going to put in my Parmigiano Reggiano cheese right here. And then all those
I always
flavors.
thought it was Reggiano.
Well, you could say Reggiano. It's a Reggiano.
Reggiano.
It's so fast.
Do I have to throw it?
Well, you have to talk with your hands. In fact,
Reggiano.
the prisoners, when they interview them on TV, they have to release them from the handcuffs or they can't talk. It's the truth. Yes, sir. That's right.
I don't know if that's a verified fact, but we'll fact check it.
But
after the
you know,
show.
you see what happened in here. The heavy cream is being flavored and colored with the spices of those precious Cajun meats, specialty meats right there. And this flavor is going to be amazing. It's easy to make.
Yeah, well, this looks awesome. I love a good Alfredo sauce-based recipe, and when you combine it with Louisiana, the Gulf Coast, it's Italy, all that kind of good stuff, it's going to be a delicious dish, y'all. The recipe is online. Go check it out. We're going to let all these flavors come together, and then when we come back, it's game time?
That's right. It's game time.
Game time.
There's going to be a marriage of Italy and Louisiana right here on the show, right here.
Love it. Sounds good. Michael White, are you ready for game time?
Finishing things up here in the Studio 10 kitchen with Chef Nino from Rouses, and we are finishing up this delicious dish we've been working on the entire hour, the shrimp tasso Fredo pasta, correct?
That's right. Yes, sir.
And it's a merging of two nations.
That's right. Italy with the heavy cream and Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, and Louisiana with the tasso and the andouille and the Cajun seasonings. And those seasonings, as you're sauteing the tasso and the andouille, it flavors the heavy cream. Now we're going to make it Alfredo. All right. We brought our heavy cream up to almost a boil, turned it off. We don't want it to scorch. Now we're going to put in our Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, and within seconds it's going to melt, and then we can plate it. And this is probably one of the best Alfredos you have ever eaten and you have ever made at your house. You're going to love this recipe. It's actually done now. Can you believe it?
And
that's the value of that good cheese.
And what's important is, as Chef Nino was talking about, all of the ingredients for this can be picked up at a Rouses. You can do this in your home. You don't have to go to a five-star restaurant. And if you want to learn how to do it, you have several classes coming up, right, Chef Nino?
And forgive me, I had to bring my schedule.
Well,
We got
there's
so
a
much
lot of
going
them,
on.
yeah.
Today at 1 o'clock, we're going to be on Airport Boulevard.
Okay.
All right. We're going to do pork Wellington at 1 o'clock today on Airport Boulevard. Y'all come out. Beautiful facility
And it's
there.
free, right?
Free.
Okay.
Free class. And this afternoon is Sarah Laren at 4 o'clock. And then tomorrow morning, a big extravaganza in Orange Beach. All right, we're going to be doing this recipe, shrimp tasso Fredo in Orange Beach. Don't miss it. We're expecting over 100 people. It's going to be amazing. Yes, yes, yes.
And Joe has attended one of those classes, and it is educational. You get to learn how to do this stuff, and then you find out it's not as complicated as it sounds for someone who's not an expert cook.
Exactly. I can make the expert cook better and the medium cook a lot better.
Now, what if you're just a novice like myself?
I will help you out, I promise. I got something for you. Because you taste this and you're going to be drawn to, I want to learn how to do this. Tasting is
Well, let's taste a little.
Yeah, I want to finish it off. Our olio novello, straight from Italy, the first harvest of Italy in the olio novello. It's a nice finishing oil right here.
Let's see, get me a little piece of
And I
this
want you to taste Louisiana and Italy all in one bite, sir.
Very good. That is very good, Chef Nino.
Look at this, y'all. I'm serious. Restaurant quality food right from the grocery aisles
And then you can make it in your
Rouses.
home. Yes. That's what's important. And we're going to have the ingredients on fox10tv.com right under the Studio 10 tab. Make sure you pay Chef Nino a visit on one of these free cooking classes he's got going on. Joe and I will be back to wrap up this edition of Studio 10.